Hello, this is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab. Jeff and I were just looking at a really interesting configuration of the PRX crypto system, and I wanted to share this with you. So this is GBTC, the Bitcoin quasi ETF, we'll call it. This is one of the targets for the PRX swing system, the ETF swing system. However, it's also an interesting thing to look at trading on 30-minute bars. So we've got the bar set to 30 minutes. We're looking at GBTC. The history here goes back to the beginning of 2017. And as we can see, it's a very nice looking equity curve. I've got risk set to 1,000 here, so for every $1,000 up here, that's going to be 1 R, and I am looking at the 50 MA, as you can see here. So that's 149.7 R over 377 trades, 36% profitable, which is about what we expect for a trend following system, and that's pretty much in line with a lot of the PRX system flavors. Profit factor 2.145, really good. Max drawdown is only 12.4 R, which is really excellent if you consider the net profit is 149.7. And the expectancy or average trade is 0.397, which again is very, very high in my opinion for a system of anything greater than intraday. Although 30 minutes you could argue is very slow intraday or fast swing. It's kind of rides the line. And then our average number of bars and trades is 14. Now, one thing about, of course, trading on 30-minute bars using GBTC is that you would have overnight holds, and it does expose you to gap risk. And to get a sense of how big our largest loss is, we can just look down here and see our largest losing trade is 2.8 R, which is not really all that bad considering the overnight gap risk exposure. And I think that has to do with the fact that on 30-minute bars, the I-stop, the distance to the PSAR, is going to be fairly broad in most cases. And so overnight gaps will cause greater than 1 R losses, but not exactly huge losses as we see here. Although I think this is illustrative of Ken Long's very sage advice to throw a -5 R loss into your sample when you're backtesting and simulating, because one of our beliefs is that we haven't yet seen our largest losing trade, so this could very well increase as we go through time. But I thought you would find this interesting for anyone out there who likes trading on the 30-minute bars. GBT on the 50 SMA certainly seems to show that it warrants further investigation. Thanks for watching and happy trading.